Imagine this. You're lying in bed at 3 a.m., heart racing, mind spinning with what ifs. What if you fail that job interview? What if your relationship crumbles? What if everything falls apart? Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you that a 2,000-year-old Roman emperor had forbidden advice that could crush that anxiety overnight? Advice so powerful it turned him from a stressed-out ruler into a legend of unbreakable calm. Stick around. I'm about to reveal Marcus Aurelius' secrets that modern therapists won't tell you. Let's dive in. First up, the one rule that instantly cuts your anxiety in half, without therapy or meds. Ready? All right, let's start with the core of Marcus Aurelius' wisdom from his private journal, Meditations. He wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This is the dichotomy of control. Anxiety thrives on things you can't control, like what others think, the economy crashing, or even the weather ruining your plans. But Marcus says stop wasting energy there. Focus only on what's in your power, your actions, your reactions, your choices. Picture this. You're anxious about a big presentation. Instead of obsessing over what if they hate it, shift to how can I prepare my best? Boom. Anxiety drops because you're in the driver's seat. Try it tonight. List 3 worries, cross out the uncontrollable ones, and act on the rest. You'll sleep like a baby. But wait, this is just the foundation. What if I told you Marcus had a trick to predict disasters before they hit? Next, the forbidden Stoic hack emperors used to face wars and betrayals without flinching. It sounds crazy, but it works overnight. Marcus Aurelius ruled during plagues, wars, and personal betrayals, yet he stayed calm. His secret? Premeditatio Malorum, or Premeditation of Evils. Basically, visualize the worst-case scenario in advance. He said, begin each day by telling yourself, today I shall be met with interference, ingratitude, insolence, disloyalty, ill will, and selfishness. Sounds pessimistic? No, it's preparation. By expecting the bad, it loses power over you. Real-life example, anxious about flying? Premeditate. The plane could turbulence or delay. Then plan your response. I'll breathe deep and read a book. Suddenly, anxiety vanishes because you're ready. I tried this during a breakup, premeditated the pain, and it hit less hard. Do it before bed. Think of tomorrow's stressors, accept them, and plan your stoic response. You'll wake up empowered. Hold on, though. Marcus didn't stop at defense. He had an offensive strategy to turn anxiety into fuel. What if zooming out on your life could make your biggest fears look tiny? Marcus's view from above does exactly that, faster than you think. Ever feel like your problems are the end of the world? Marcus Aurelius flipped that with his view from above technique. Imagine rising above Earth, seeing your life as a tiny speck in the vast universe. He wrote, think of the whole of substance as a single thing and yourself as a tiny part of it. Your missed deadline? Insignificant compared to galaxies colliding? Your social media flop? A blip in human history. This crushes anxiety by giving perspective. Next time panic hits, close your eyes and visualize. Zoom out from your room, to your city, to the planet, to the stars. Your worry shrinks. Story time. A friend was anxious about debt. We did this exercise. He realized billions face worse yet survive. Overnight shift. Combine it with journaling. Write your fear, then refute it from above. Game changer. But Marcus saved his most forbidden advice for last. Something that reprograms your brain against anxiety for good. Finally, the mindset that turns every setback into a secret advantage. Emperors hid this because it's too powerful. Amor Fati, love your fate. Marcus borrowed from earlier Stoics but made it his mantra. Don't just accept what happens. Embrace it as if you chose it. Quote, A blazing fire makes flame and brightness out of everything that is thrown into it. Anxiety comes from resisting reality. Instead, say, "This happened for me, not to me." Lost your job? Amor Fati, it's a chance to pivot to your dream career. Health scare? A wake-up to prioritize wellness. This isn't fluffy positivity, it's warrior mindset. Practice tonight. Recall a past anxiety trigger that turned out okay or better. See? Fate was on your side. Apply to current worries, love them, and watch anxiety evaporate. I've used this to crush public speaking fears, embraced the nerves as energy. Results? Standing ovations. So there you have it. Marcus Aurelius' forbidden advice to crush anxiety overnight. Master the dichotomy. Premeditate evils. View from above and love your fate. Implement one tonight and comment below. Which secret will you try first? If this hit home, smash that like button, subscribe for more life-changing Stoic hacks, and share with someone drowning in anxiety. You could change their life. Thanks for watching. Stay Stoic, stay strong. Peace.